If your content feels polished but forgettable or helpful but not converting, you don't need more ideas. You need a framework that makes people feel something. Today, I'm sharing the SONYA Framework, a concept I came up with to create content your audience can't ignore. Ciao, y'all. I'm Kiara, founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative arts entrepreneurs simplify content marketing with AI powered strategies that grow their brand without burning out or sounding generic. In this video, I'm walking you through my SONYA framework, a simple but powerful system to create content that hooks your audience, builds trust, and actually supports your business goals. Most content doesn't fail because it's bad. It fails because it's missing intention. Creative entrepreneurs often post without a clear strategy, emotional connection, a sense of direction or transformation. The SONYA framework fixes that by combining strategy, creativity, psychology, and authenticity, even when AI is part of your workflow. Let's start with S, strategy. Every piece of content should start with strategy. Ask yourself, what business goal does this content piece support? Who is it for and what do they need right now? What action I want them to take next that I can express in a clear CTA, call to action? How will people find my content? This is where SEO comes in with smart keyword research and use, search intent understanding, and clarity to help you boost your online discoverability. AI can help you here by researching focus keywords related to a specific content topic, analyzing audiences' most recurring questions, structuring content for searchability on social media and web searches. You could ask AI something like this, for example. Act as a content strategist. Remember, giving AI a specific role will get you a better, more specific output. I want to improve my visibility with SEO focused content for my describe your go-to platform, for example, Instagram, blog, etc., so that I can attract, describe your audience, for example, early stage artists building their online presence. Brainstorm 15 long tail keywords, 3 to 5 words each, that reflect real search intent and are tied to common audience pain points, such as answer 2 to 3 pain points. Focus on keywords that are niche specific and likely to drive organic traffic. Strategy like this prevents random posting and wasted energy. Letter O in my SONYA framework, originality. Originality doesn't mean reinventing the wheel. It means making your content unmistakably useful and yours. Focus on solving a real problem or meeting a specific interest or need, offering clarity others skip and genuine support, saying the obvious thing better through your unique perspective, beliefs, stories, testimonials, and expertise. Even if AI helps you draft content, value is what makes people stop scrolling. So don't merely copy and paste your AI generated content as is. Elevate it with personalization in a way that makes your audience think, yup, this content truly speaks to me. Letter N, nuance. This is strictly connected to originality and the step most AI generated content misses. Nuance is where you come in beyond AI. It's where you add personal context, contrarian takes, lessons from experience, emotional honesty, failures and wins. AI gives structure, but nuance gives meaning, ensuring your content gets memorable. Letter Y, yearning. Hooking content doesn't just inform, it creates anticipation and desire. Show your audience what's possible for them, the transformation they get when they buy from you or work with you, the relief or accomplishment they're searching for. This isn't manipulation, it's clarity on the meaningful difference you can make in their lives, big or small. In other words, you're helping people visualize the outcome your product, service, or method delivers. Infusing this into your content will trigger yearning for connecting with your brand. Lastly, letter A, authenticity. Authentic content builds trust. and trust converts. Authenticity means having genuine conversations with your people through comments, DMs, calls, not to sell, but to bond. Sharing valuable stories that showcase your brand identity, not just impersonal tips that won't stick. Standing behind your perspective, ideas, and core values. Even with AI, your content should feel human, grounded, and real. The SONYA framework turns content into connection. Strategy gives direction, originality creates value, nuance adds depth, yearning sparks desire, authenticity builds trust. And that's how content stops being noise and starts drawing attention while working for your business goals. If you want further help implementing AI assisted content strategically without losing your voice or mind, download my free guide, 5 AI powered solutions for creatives who dread content marketing. I'll link it down below. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos like this. Hope my framework will help you create more purposeful content. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Ciao!